Hey everybody, this is Pat with Farland Classic Restoration. Today I'm going to be showing you around this new one in the shop. This is a 1987 Aston Martin V8 Vantage Volante. It is one of only about 167 produced during the short 3-year model run in the mid-80s. The Volante name comes from the convertible top on this particular model. Here in the US, we got about a third of all the Aston Martin V8 Vantage Volantes that were ever built. They were fitted with bigger 5-mile-an-hour American bumpers, as well as a bigger hood to fit the engine that we got here in the States. The top-of-the-line model at the time was known as the Prince of Wales edition. That included bigger wheel wells, as well as an open front grille, making it look a little more Americanized. Funny enough. Many consider this to be a very muscle car looking Aston. There's a lot of Mustang throughout that you can see. One of the most unique features is that closed off front grille, incorporating all 4 headlights. Very cool. And to go along with this fantastic blue exterior is a lovely beige interior. And of course, that 5-speed dogleg sticks right out at you, just asking to be shifted through the gears. Of course, a real unique steering wheel, just the 2-spoke there. And there's your e-brake hidden away. Very great interior on this one. The wood is nice and clean all throughout. And of course, the ashtray for you. We'll spend a minute here looking through some of the switchgear. Of course, the lovely shifter. All your options throughout. Interior lights, your horn, auxiliary lamps, heated window. Nice little AC system. And of course, that clock ticking away. And there's your window switches there, right in the middle of the vehicle. The convertible top button is actually hidden up by the driver there, right up front. Here's a little note on this car that's very 80s. You can see they got these wheel locks. And of course, you'll need the key to get in. Funny enough. The value on the V8 Volantes have really gone up in the past few years, largely due to the low production numbers and the rise in 80s and 90s car values. This is one to keep an eye out for. And that's it for today. Thanks for stopping by, checking out the Aston with me. Let me know what you'd like to see next week. As always, be sure to like and subscribe for us. Have a great day.